guys, today's video is gonna be my May Boxycharm unboxing. Here we go. Here we go. It's Monday. It's Monday. I'm stoked for this week though because the weather's supposed to be so nice. Dark. Does the lighting look darker than usual? I'm gonna have to do some adjustments when editing. Super Bloom is the theme for this month. As usual, you get the card that says, hey, you need to disclose that you get this for free. But you guys already know. You guys already know I've been getting this for free for a lot of years now. First thing is from Skin Inc. This is the Serum Glow Filter. This retails for $50. Glow up with the world's first skincare makeup Serum Glow Filter. Blending beauty and technology in one bottle, this clever concoction is formulated with rare gold hibiscus extract and Skin Inc.'s 2 top-selling serums. Give you a selfie filter in real life. It's perfect for day use and personalized to your skin tone using light reflective technology that enables external light to bounce off your skin, creating a glowy, pearlized finish, and reduced appearance of pores and red skin tone. So I actually worked with Skin Inc. Years ago. They sent me like my own... I don't know if it still works this way, but you would go on their website and say like your skin issues, and then they would concoct like a special formula potion, magic potion for you. I remember I didn't really like it. Didn't really do much. So just being honest, but that looks fun. I will try this. Next thing is from Ciate. This is the Dewy Blush. Retails for $22. Dewy Blush is a next-gen gel balm tint blush that is set to shake up and refresh your beauty routine. Gone are the days of chalky powder blush. Okay, I'm just gonna stop right there. I'm not a blush person. I don't wear blush. My makeup, as if you haven't noticed, is, I think that's Nolan opening my door. Makeup routine is very, very simple. And yeah, I don't use blush. This is what it looks like. I'm not gonna open this and show you guys the color. What is the color? The color is coconut. I'm not gonna open this because I'm probably gonna give this away to someone. I'm just not a blush person. I don't, nope. If I want rosy cheeks, I'll go run around outside. Alrighty, this is from V Cosmetic. Creamy liquid velvet lipstick. Retails are $22. Unlike any lip color you've ever seen. Really? This liquid velvet lipstick is the product you want to add to your makeup kit. Formulated to be creamy, lightweight, and long wearing. Make a unique statement with your fashion-forward vibe. All right, let's see if this is unlike anything I've ever seen. I mean, I've seen this. Ooh, it kind of matches my hair. Guys, can I just tell you, literally everywhere I go, I get compliments on my hair. I feel like I can never change my hair color because I won't get compliments anymore. Literally everywhere I go, people compliment me on my hair. I ran into the grocery store yesterday as I didn't ran, let's be honest. I walked in there. As I was walking in, this woman was walking out and she had a mask on. She was like all muffled and she's like, amazing hair color. I'm like, thank you. Like, I feel like it's darker on camera. It's definitely brighter in person. And by the way, my grays are back. Let's just not talk about that. But yeah, I don't know. I feel like this isn't like, is this a crazy hair color? Literally everywhere I go. I mean, obviously it's great. I love it. I'm like, thank you so much. But I'm just kind of shocked. Like, is it really that crazy of a hair color? Like, maybe it is. I don't know. Maybe I'm the crazy one. Anyway, this isn't too crazy. I've seen colors like this before. Next thing in the box is from Pharmacy. This is the Honeymoon Glow Body. This retails for $40. A body hydrating and resurfacing serum that instantly softens rough skin and eliminates bumps with AHAs and BHAs, leaving skin remarkably smooth and with a lit from within glow. All right, there's that. Oh my gosh, how many things did I get? We got 5. I don't know why I thought we had more than 5. Okay, this is from Basic Beauty. This is the eyeshadow primer. Retails for $18. It's an eyeshadow primer. Okay, I think I have. Ooh, do I have an eyeshadow primer? I don't wear eyeshadow too often, so I don't feel the need for a primer. So I'll probably keep this because I think I only have maybe one other primer. I don't know from what brand, but I'm probably gonna keep this just in case I ever want to prime my eyeshadow. All right, last thing in the box. First, there's a little pamphlet about it. It is refreshments. This is the dazzling 5-blade razor kit in pink bubbly. It's not on here. Wait a second. Did I really? Hold on. How many things did I get? 6 things. Okay, yeah. I thought I didn't know I was going crazy, but I wasn't going crazy. Okay. Yeah, it's not in the card, but there's a little pamphlet thing about it. It's from Refreshments. We don't make bathroom essentials. We make self-care superstars. This is Personal Care Perfected. Oh, okay. So this is giving me, what's that razor company? Is it Billy? It's called Billy, right? The razor? Guys, that was like way hyped on Instagram. I'm like, I need to try this razor. It sucked, okay? It sucked. I did not like it. I did not like it. I'll tell you guys. They contacted me. They wanted me to work for them. I'm like, your razor kind of sucks. Sorry, can't do it. This seems similar. So this says, oh, actually, this is more than just razors, though. More than just razors. Stock your bathroom. Add products to your reoccurring order. Schedule it. Choose 1 to 3 month deliveries. Subscribe and shave. Well, yeah, shave, but subscribe and save. They've got shampoo and conditioner. They've got deodorant, hand cream, shave cream, body cream, soap. But I think this is just, let's open this. Is this a razor? I don't even know, I think. Yes, I already, yeah, 5-blade razor kit, yes. Pair with our pillowy shave cream for an even smoother shave. All right, how do you open this? This is cute packaging, by the way. By the way, I can't believe I got 6 things. It's been a minute since I got 6 things, I think. Oh, okay. What is that? Oh, right? Yep, that guy just jumped right out. The razor with 2 blades. This is the wall mount. It's magnetic. Oh, this is heavy duty. Let's see. Oh, totally. Oh, there it is. Magnetic. I like that. Okay, I'm excited to try this. 5 blades. Let you guys know my honest opinion on this, whether or not this is worth it. I need to look into this to see, like, how much is it? Like, do you get, I don't know. I don't know what this is about. Like, do you get blades each month? I don't know. But the website is not on this card. Weird. Oh, you gotta do the little QR code. Their Instagram is My Refreshments. I'm curious about this company and to see how much it costs, because I think Billy was super cheap, but you get what you pay for. It was a shitty razor, like, not gonna lie. So yeah, so I gotta look into this and see what, oh gosh, everything's falling. I gotta see what this is all about. Definitely excited for the razor. I will try this. Summertime's coming. We gotta get that summertime skin. Smooth summertime skin, you know. So the eyeshadow primer I'm gonna keep, because I think I'm looking over there like it's gonna jump out at me and tell me what it is. I have an eyeshadow primer in those drawers full of makeup somewhere. I don't know what it is, but this guy's gonna join him. This, I mean, it's a pretty color, but I'm not like, oh my gosh, yes, you know, like it's whatever. Blush, I'm gonna give this away. I'm not a blush person. Yes, this, I will try this out. All right, so that's it for my May Boxycharm. If you guys want to sign up, I'll have a link down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video.